This is the prototype of the application which we have developed, voice assistant news bot. Now I am going to run it.
Welcome to Newsfeeder.
This is the welcome screen.
Tell me what you want to do today.
Give me some health news.
You selected health news. Here is today's health news. 1. 16% of people in the UK likely to refuse COVID-19 vaccine, study, Business Line. 1 in 6 people in the UK is likely to refuse a COVID-19 vaccine when available, according to a recent study by King's College London and Ipsos Mori. The study surveyed 2,237 adults aged 16 to 75 in the 2. Study. Existing tuberculosis vaccine is safe, stimulates the immune system, and may also be effective against COVID-19, innovation origins. Study Radbudumk. A tuberculosis vaccine is safe, stimulates the immune system, and may also be effective against COVID-19. More research is underway. 3. Drug used to treat alcoholism useful in fight against COVID-19, study, on e-News. Washington, D.C., USA, August 9, on with the use of molecular modeling, 2 medications that have been known for a long time can be used to fight SARS-CoV-2, found a team of chemists from House University and the Zelensky Institute of Organic Chemistry. 4. Asymptomatic COVID-19 cases could hold the key to ending pandemic, report, Business Line. Asymptomatic COVID-19 cases could be the key to understanding how a larger population can develop immunity against the virus, according to a report by the Washington Post. The report cites the research. 5. COVID-19, scientists develop low-cost method to test mask effectiveness against viral droplets, Hindustan Times. The technique, described in the journal Science Advances, is still in the early stages, and has so far only been tested in a small group of people, the scientists said. 6. Lessons from 1918 Spanish flu, when mask laws triggered protests in U.S.
Open YouTube.
You selected Open YouTube. Opening your YouTube page. Tell me what you want to do today.
Give me some science news.
You selected Science News. Here is today's science news. 1. NASA probe prepares for first asteroid sample collection attempt, The Tribune. OSIRIS-REx mission on asteroid Bennu. 2. The left only want eradication for the virus, not for obvious bushfire hazards, Sky News Australia. Sky News host Paul Murray says according to the left in Australia the eradication strategy only applies to coronavirus, not to bushfires. It comes as key recommendations out of the bushfire. Tell me what you want to do today.
Nothing.
Sorry, invalid command, try again. Tell me what you want to do today.
Give me some business news.
You selected business news. Here is today's business news. 1. Explain speaking, state of the Indian economy in 6 charts, The Indian Express. There are several reasons why RBI did not cut rates this week and why it may not cut them until December. The onus of boosting growth now lies solely with the government. 2. Hit by virus, ArcelorMittal looks to cut costs and protect profits, Bloomberg Quint. The world's largest steel maker logged a net loss of $559 million for the June-ended quarter. 3. Trade set up for Monday, Top 15 things to know before opening bell, moneycontrol.com. Key support level for the Nifty is placed at 11,160.03, followed by 11,106.07. If the index moves up, the key resistance levels to watch out for are
Similarly, it will go on reading out the news
11,249.93 and
headlines along with the description up to 20th
11,285.87.
news. Suppose I close the internet connection to my laptop, disconnecting it. Now how it will behave, see.
Welcome to Newsfeeder. Tell me what you want to do today.
Give me some technology news.
Sorry, my speech service is down, try later. Tell me what you want to do today. Tell me what you want to do today.
Web search.
You selected web search. What you want to search.
Educational posters.
Giving search result for educational posters. Tell me what you want to do today.
Give location.
You selected give location. Which place to locate?
Nalanda.
Giving location of Nalanda.
Let's see how the prototype behaves when it is not able to listen our voice command.
Welcome to Newsfeeder. Tell me what you want to do today. Sorry, I didn't hear you, try again. Tell me what you want to do today.
Exit.
Goodbye.
In this way, the application will be closed. Thank you.